Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. I got this interesting body wax off of Amazon here. I thought that it might eliminate some of the need for shaving and maybe get me a little closer to the skin. So we're going to go ahead and try it out today, but I wanted to show this to you. So this comes with 1,000 grams of these beads here, and it's no strips necessary. So like you see in the movies with using the paper strips and peeling it off, you're not going to have to do that with this. So very cool. It also comes with these, it looks like little tongue depressors for mixing up and spreading the wax. It comes with this spoon here, or spatula, whatever you prefer to call it. And it comes with these gloves. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Alright guys, you can see clearly here this deforestation that's happening when I peeled that off. So you can see I have a bald patch now there. So I think that's good. So yay, wax. Whoa guys, look at this. It's like a furry little friend here. This all came off of my neck. I ripped this out of my body with the wax.